Hello friends, welcome back to the HSC Coach. Today's topic is very important, especially for those who want to build a career in the safety field and are planning for Gulf jobs. In this video, we will talk about offshore versus onshore safety along with hazards and precautions, and most importantly salary in Gulf countries. So make sure you watch this video till the end. First, let's understand what offshore safety is. Offshore means working in the sea or over the sea. For example, oil rigs, offshore platforms, and ships. So, the simple definition is offshore safety means protecting workers from hazards in a sea based work environment. Now, let's talk about hazards. The offshore environment is naturally dangerous. There is a risk of fire and explosion due to oil and gas. There is a risk of falling into the sea. Helicopter travel can also be a risk. There are storms and high waves. Toxic gases like H2S may be present, and the biggest challenge is the remote locations. That means emergency help is not immediately available, and that is why safety system offshore are very strict. The permit to work system is followed strictly. Gas detectors continuously monitor the environment. Regular emergency drills are conducted. Life jackets and immersion suits are mandatory, and helicopter safety training is also provided. Simple line to remember: offshore safety means high risk but high control. Now let's understand the onshore safety. Onshore means working on land. For example, construction sites, factories, and industrial plants. So the definition is onshore safety means controlling hazards and keeping workers safe in land-based workplaces. Now let's talk about the hazards. Onshore environments involve many activities, so hazards are also vary and frequent. There is a risk of falling from height, machinery accident, electrical hazards, vehicle movement, manual handling, injuries, and exposure to dust and chemicals. Here, risks occur frequently and in different forms. Now let's talk about the safety precautions. To maintain safety, proper PPE is used, fall protection systems are implemented, machine guarding and LOTO are followed, traffic management system are in place, daily toolbox talks are conducted, and good housekeeping is maintained. Simple line to remember: onshore safety means continuous monitoring and control. Now let's talk about the most important part, which is salary. If you are planning to work in Gulf countries, listen carefully. Let's first understand the onshore salary. At fresher level, you can earn approximately 2000 to 3500 AD per month. With experience of 3 to 8 years, salary can go up to 4000 to 7000 AD, and at senior level, it can reach 8000 AD or more. Now let's talk about the offshore salary. Offshore salaries are higher compared to onshore. For fresher with training, you can earn around 4000 to 6000 AD per month. With experience, salary can go from 7000 to 12000 AD. At senior level, it can go above 15000 AD. So, you may wonder why offshore salaries are higher. The reason is simple: the risk is higher, the environment is tougher, and specialized training is required. If you want to go offshore, make sure you complete training like BOSET and HUET and stay mentally and physically strong. If you are working onshore, focus on improving your field presence, communication skills, and daily monitoring ability. So friends, now you clearly understand the difference between offshore and onshore safety along with hazards, precautions, and salary. If you make the right decision, you can grow your career faster. If you found this video helpful, like, share, and subscribe to the HSC Coach. See you in the next video. Till then, stay safe and stay alert.